Okay, so you can see here we're setting up a distillation apparatus. We have cold water going into the bottom and it's coming out of the top and it's dripping down the sink. So this is a cold water column. On this side, we have our cherry Coke, and the cherry Coke is being heated right now. And if you look closely, you can see the very first thing coming out of the cherry Coke is gas. So these gas bubbles are coming out of the cherry Coke. The temperature right now is still pretty low in there. It looks like it's barely even above room temperature. It's only about 35 in that gas area. But when you put the hot Bunsen burner on it, it makes it bubble more. This is connected through the tube. The tube runs through here into this, and we're gonna wait and see as we let this sit if anything else happens. Okay, so you can see here, it's starting to bubble a lot more. The temperature is around, I think around 80 degrees in there. We're edging up towards 80 degrees. You can see the bubbles are coming out even more. And think about what gas would be trapped inside of cherry Coke or Dr. Pepper in this case, either one. And you can see the steam or whatever, a gas forming right here.
We are almost to 100 degrees.
Yeah. And it's condensing down the tube. Right? This is called a condensation tube. And if we look here,
I see a lot of gas coming into the tube.
I do see a lot of gas going into the tube. Oh, there we go. We're starting to collect a clear liquid in the tube, and a lot of clear liquid. You can see here how it's even changed with the cherry Coke. And it looks like we popped it maybe even just a little tad bit over 100. Which means that the boiling point can even be a little bit higher than 100.
We are at about 104.
Wow,
to
must be
exact.
a lot of sugar in there. Surprise, surprise, huh? All right, you can stop that. All right, so let's take a look at what this is. Can I turn off the Bunsen burner?
How do you turn off Bunsen burner? Besides just turning off the gas? I'm going to try not to hit the very hot glassware.
Yes.
Lab safety is very important.
So this right here, it's a little bit warm. It's not super hot, but it has a really, really awesome smell. It smells like all the cherry-ish flavorings that would have been in this. And then if you look at this, what's left, it looks maybe a little thicker, I don't know. And then it's bubbling, but you can see like the carbonation is definitely gone out of it. And we have this collection of this clear liquid over here.
Like a thick, dark water substance.
Yeah. And like I said, smells great on this end over here. Smells absolutely delicious.